Enjoy English learning.
Do you enjoy painting?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy painting?
Yes, I do.
Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can.
Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can.
Is your car red?
No, it's blue.
Is your car red?
No, it's blue.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you knit?
No, I can't.
Can you knit?
No, I can't.
Is your bag waterproof?
Yes, it is.
Is your bag waterproof?
Yes, it is.
Do you like watching cartoons?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like watching cartoons?
Yes, I love them.
Can you play chess?
No, but I want to learn.
Can you play chess?
No, but I want to learn.
Is your house near a park?
Yes, it is.
Is your house near a park?
Yes, it is.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, very much.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, very much.
Can you fly a kite?
Yes, I can.
Can you fly a kite?
Yes, I can.
Is your bike new?
No, it's old.
Is your bike new?
No, it's old.
Do you play a sport?
Yes, I play badminton.
Do you play a sport?
Yes, I play badminton.
Can you sew clothes?
No, I can't.
Can you sew clothes?
No, I can't.
Is your fridge full?
Yes, it is.
Is your fridge full?
Yes, it is.
Do you have a diary?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a diary?
Yes, I do.
Can you solve a puzzle?
Yes, I can.
Can you solve a puzzle?
Yes, I can.
Is your favorite color blue?
No, it's green.
Is your favorite color blue?
No, it's green.
Do you use a planner?
Yes, daily.
Do you use a planner?
Yes, daily.
Can you fold a paper boat?
Yes, I can.
Can you fold a paper boat?
Yes, I can.
Is your clock digital?
Yes, it is.
Is your clock digital?
Yes, it is.
Do you like swimming in the sea?
Yes, I do.
Do you like swimming in the sea?
Yes, I do.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't.
Is your laptop heavy?
No, it's light.
Is your laptop heavy?
No, it's light.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I love it.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I love it.
Can you skateboard?
No, I can't.
Can you skateboard?
No, I can't.
Is your garden big?
No, it's small.
Is your garden big?
No, it's small.
Do you eat spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Can you tie a tie?
No, I can't.
Can you tie a tie?
No, I can't.
Is your wall painted white?
No, it's yellow.
Is your wall painted white?
No, it's yellow.
Do you wear hats?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you wear hats?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you fold clothes neatly?
Yes, I can.
Can you fold clothes neatly?
Yes, I can.
Is your lunch homemade?
Yes, it is.
Is your lunch homemade?
Yes, it is.
Do you eat popcorn while watching movies?
Yes, always.
Do you eat popcorn while watching movies?
Yes, always.
Can you play the flute?
No, I can't.
Can you play the flute?
No, I can't.
Is your pet a dog?
No, I don't have a pet.
Is your pet a dog?
No, I don't have a pet.
Do you wear earrings?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear earrings?
Yes, I do.
Can you iron clothes?
Yes, I can.
Can you iron clothes?
Yes, I can.
Is your pillow soft?
Yes, very soft.
Is your pillow soft?
Yes, very soft.
Do you collect stamps?
No, I don't.
Do you collect stamps?
No, I don't.
Can you sing well?
No, not really.
Can you sing well?
No, not really.
Is your favorite fruit mango?
No, it's apple.
Is your favorite fruit mango?
No, it's apple.
Do you like roller coasters?
No, they're scary.
Do you like roller coasters?
No, they're scary.
Can you fold an origami crane?
No, I can't.
Can you fold an origami crane?
No, I can't.
Is your sofa comfortable?
Yes, it is.
Is your sofa comfortable?
Yes, it is.
Do you like wearing sneakers?
Yes, I do.
Do you like wearing sneakers?
Yes, I do.
Can you write poetry?
Yes, a little.
Can you write poetry?
Yes, a little.
Is your desk organized?
Yes, mostly.
Is your desk organized?
Yes, mostly.
Do you enjoy solving riddles?
Yes, I love them.
Do you enjoy solving riddles?
Yes, I love them.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, but not well.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, but not well.
Is your sweater warm?
Yes, very warm.
Is your sweater warm?
Yes, very warm.
Do you keep a to-do list?
Yes, daily.
Do you keep a to-do list?
Yes, daily.
Can you snap your fingers?
Yes, I can.
Can you snap your fingers?
Yes, I can.
Is your favorite season winter?
No, it's autumn.
Is your favorite season winter?
No, it's autumn.
Do you eat breakfast in bed?
No, I don't.
Do you eat breakfast in bed?
No, I don't.
Can you fold a napkin into a shape?
No, I can't.
Can you fold a napkin into a shape?
No, I can't.
Is your favorite drink lemonade?
No, it's coffee.
Is your favorite drink lemonade?
No, it's coffee.
Do you like stargazing?
Yes, I do.
Do you like stargazing?
Yes, I do.
Can you read maps well?
No, I get confused.
Can you read maps well?
No, I get confused.
Is your notebook full?
Yes, almost.
Is your notebook full?
Yes, almost.
Do you take afternoon naps?
Sometimes.
Do you take afternoon naps?
Sometimes.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can.
Is your bookshelf organized?
Yes, perfectly.
Is your bookshelf organized?
Yes, perfectly.
Do you play board games?
Yes, I do.
Do you play board games?
Yes, I do.
Can you hold your breath for 30 seconds?
Yes, easily.
Can you hold your breath for 30 seconds?
Yes, easily.
Is your backpack lightweight?
No, it's heavy.
Is your backpack lightweight?
No, it's heavy.
Do you write with a pen or pencil?
I use a pen.
Do you write with a pen or pencil?
I use a pen.
Can you make a paper airplane?
Yes, I can.
Can you make a paper airplane?
Yes, I can.
Is your alarm loud?
Yes, very loud.
Is your alarm loud?
Yes, very loud.
Do you use sticky notes?
Yes, all the time.
Do you use sticky notes?
Yes, all the time.
Can you play the drums?
No, I can't.
Can you play the drums?
No, I can't.
Is your mug big?
Yes, very big.
Is your mug big?
Yes, very big.
Do you like scented candles?
Yes, I do.
Do you like scented candles?
Yes, I do.
Can you braid hair?
Yes, I can.
Can you braid hair?
Yes, I can.
Is your wallet black?
No, it's brown.
Is your wallet black?
No, it's brown.
Do you like solving puzzles?
Yes, I do.
Do you like solving puzzles?
Yes, I do.
Can you do a backflip?
No, I can't.
Can you do a backflip?
No, I can't.
Is your calendar marked with events?
Yes, it is.
Is your calendar marked with events?
Yes, it is.
Do you enjoy coloring?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy coloring?
Yes, I do.
Can you carve a pumpkin?
No, I've never tried.
Can you carve a pumpkin?
No, I've never tried.
Is your window open?
No, it's closed.
Is your window open?
No, it's closed.
Do you like wearing socks?
Yes, I do.
Do you like wearing socks?
Yes, I do.
Can you clap with one hand?
No, I can't.
Can you clap with one hand?
No, I can't.
Is your favorite flower a rosé?
No, it's a sunflower.
Is your favorite flower a rosé?
No, it's a sunflower.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you type without looking?
Yes, I can.
Can you type without looking?
Yes, I can.
Is your pencil case blue?
No, it's green.
Is your pencil case blue?
No, it's green.
Do you like bubblegum?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bubblegum?
Yes, I do.
Can you ride a unicycle?
No, I can't.
Can you ride a unicycle?
No, I can't.
Is your jacket waterproof?
Yes, it is.
Is your jacket waterproof?
Yes, it is.
Do you enjoy cloud watching?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you enjoy cloud watching?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Can you whistle a tune?
No, I can't.
Can you whistle a tune?
No, I can't.
Is your favorite animal a cat?
No, it's a rabbit.
Is your favorite animal a cat?
No, it's a rabbit.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, I do.
Can you jump rope?
Yes, I can.
Can you jump rope?
Yes, I can.
Is your lunch packed in a box?
Yes, always.
Is your lunch packed in a box?
Yes, always.
Do you write letters?
No, not really.
Do you write letters?
No, not really.
Can you use chopsticks?
No, I struggle.
Can you use chopsticks?
No, I struggle.
Is your keychain heavy?
No, it's light.
Is your keychain heavy?
No, it's light.
Do you like collecting souvenirs?
Yes, I do.
Do you like collecting souvenirs?
Yes, I do.
Thanks for watching.